Welcome to Ingredients List and Methods. For today's video ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng beef with broccoli. Ingredients: 1 pound beef sliced into thin pieces, 2 cups broccoli cut into florets, 2 teaspoons ginger minced,
2 cloves garlic minced,
1 tablespoon cornstarch, kalahati to 3/4 cups water optional, 1/4 cup cooking oil, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Marinade ingredients: 1/4 cup oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon Knorr Liquid Seasoning, kalahati teaspoon sesame oil, 3 tablespoons cooking wine, 1 teaspoon granulated white sugar. Instructions: Step number 1: Combine beef, oyster sauce, Knorr liquid seasoning, sesame oil, cooking wine, and sugar in a bowl. Mix well. Marinate beef for 15 minutes. Add cornstarch and mix to blend with all the ingredients. Set aside. Step number 2: Heat 2 tablespoons cooking oil in a cooking pot. Sauté ginger and garlic. Add broccoli before the garlic starts to brown. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from the pot. Set aside. Step number 3: Pour the remaining oil into the pot. Add marinated beef. Once the oil gets hot, stir fry until the beef browns. You can add water to tenderize the beef further. If water is added, let it boil and stir as it evaporates. Add salt and ground black pepper to taste. Step number 4: Put the cooked broccoli into the pot with the beef. Stir fry for 3 minutes. Step number 5: Transfer to a serving plate. Serve. Thank you for watching Ingredients List and Methods. Don't forget to like and subscribe.